Huizhou Lens Intelligent Control Technology Co. Ltd. specializes in producing various controllers for infrared, RF, and Bluetooth receiver modules and control systems. Provides comprehensive services for indoor and outdoor LED lighting, art, audio system control, smart home appliances, and other small household electrical appliances. As a tech-oriented enterprise, Lens always upholds the philosophy of innovation and excellence, committing to providing customers with the best product experience on our company's production line. Borche Universal Type Interconnected IMM with its high efficiency and stable performance become an indispensable efficient partner for Lens Intelligent Control.
博创 BIM 130T 至200T 速速机到底强在哪儿？请看。
IM series integrates 20 years of innovation achievements of Borche. The machine features strong power and precise control, adopts high rigidity double platen clamping structure, reduces platen deformation, and improves clamping accuracy and stability. Equipped with high-response PLC and touchscreen human-machine interface, it supports parameter storage, remote monitoring, and fault diagnosis. The optimized hydraulic system and soundproof design reduce noise pollution and improve workshop environment. Smart interconnection and modular design ensure stronger versatility.
无论您是医疗、包装，亦或是家电、日用品的企业，博创都能为您提供最适配的解决方案。选择博创就是选择一站式无忧体验。